Right, 2-minute curry. Coconut oil in the pan. Let me turn this around actually. You can see how simple this is. Coconut oil. Then, get this. Anything similar is fine. It's so nice, and per half of that is 297 calories, and this curry will serve 4. So I'm going to chuck that in, and then I'm going to chuck that on top. That's essentially the sauce. Turn that down. Then, leftover roast chicken from yesterday. Leftover roast chicken goes in. If you're just joining, all I've done is tipped this, which is the nicest thing ever, by the way. This, so good. Tip that in there. The whole thing is 600 calories of that, so that's like the whole sauce is 600 calories. Chicken goes in, leftover roast chicken. Then the leftover veg as well. So you got leftover veg from yesterday. So I can chuck that away in as well. So I will chuck vegetables, potatoes, peas in on there as well. This is the easiest. It does actually, you know what? Screw the spoon. Let's just get it in. Bit of veg in there. Give that a stir. Give that a simmer. And you've got the curry. Add a bit more chicken. An extra protein in there. You could have beans, you could have whatever. Then, if you want to make it really simple, serve that with some rice, and you are good to go. Are we hungry? Are you hungry? Then you're good to go. Done. That is literally a 2-minute curry. I don't know what else to say. Apart from give it a try, and if anyone can find anything nicer than that, do let me know. Let me turn it around. That one there. So nice. Give it a try. Let me know how it goes.